all them to Windows 10, there is a problem. Of course, you can upgrade all your eligible Windows device to Windows 10, no props with that, but what I'm talking about is there is some technical difficulties. For example, if you're trying to upgrade your Windows 10 in a normal way using the Get Windows 10 app, and possibly you need to download separate setup file for each of your Windows device, and the Windows 10 setup file is approximately 3 GB. So it's gonna be a nightmare for low bandwidth connection users, or if you're on more than one PC. If you're using a slow connection or limited connection, you're really gonna experience the bad side. Possibly your service provider may break your wallet, so don't take a chance if your situation matching to this. Here is a solution, a smart way. Let's make a Windows 10 DVD. Oops, but most of the PCs nowadays don't comes with a DVD drive, especially the Ultrabooks. So the real solution is making a Windows 10 USB DVD using the same official source without wasting a single DVD. How it sounds, so that you can upgrade unlimited number of PCs without spending a whole day. You can upgrade all your PCs into Windows 10, both Windows 8.1 or Windows 7, if your system requirement met the minimum requirements for Windows 10 upgrade. If you want to check your device is compatible with Windows 10, I will give a link below in the description so that you can check your device is compatible or not with the Windows 10 upgrade. Check that for confirm a perfect upgrade. Pros doing so, less time and comparatively a smaller amount of data usage. So it's very simple as it sounds, USB DVD. We're gonna make your pen drive or flash drive just work like a OS DVD. Example, like a Microsoft Windows original DVD. So follow my steps and do it. First of all, you're gonna wanna go to this Microsoft website. The link will be in the description. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and you're gonna find some download buttons to purple scary buttons. It is the media creation tools. We have both 32-bit version and the 64-bit version. That's what we are looking for. Before clicking the download buttons, you need to confirm which version your system is. Is it the 32-bit or 64-bit? Well, if you don't know how to do it, just follow me. Head over to your start menu or start screen and look for your this PC or my computer and right click on your this PC or my computer and select properties, and now you can see the system information, and that's what we are looking for. Just head over to the system type and you can see I'm running a 64-bit operating system and an x64 based processor. So it's confirmed that I'm using a 64-bit version. If your system is a 32-bit version, it's also written there. Same on system type. There you can see a 32-bit operating system and x86 based processor instead of x64 based processor. The x86 based processor is also known as 32-bit version. For more information, Google it. Okay, anyway, let's close this and go back to the website. Now we found the system version, so it's really simple now. Click download on the download tool and select whatever version you want. Now you can see it started downloading. It's only a 18.73 MB file. The downloading is finished. Now go to the download location. Now you can see the media creation tool, x64 setup. Just click and open it. Then it will ask you for the confirmation. Click yes. Then you can see the Windows 10 setup box. Here you have two options, upgrade this PC now or create installation media for another PC. Okay, just select create installation media for another PC and click next. Now it will ask you for language, architecture and edition of your system and your OS. Fill all the things up. If you have any doubt, go to your system settings and refer your system information the same way we found your system architecture. Okay, let's fill these things up. Click on language and select whatever language you want from these available languages. Example, I'm gonna select English United States as my default language. Now click on the edition and select your edition. If you're not sure which edition you're running, go to system information and check your edition just like this. Here you can see your Windows edition and you can see I'm using the basic, the home edition. So I'm gonna leave it as default. If you're using a Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 in a Pro Edition, select that. And let's move on to the architecture. About the architecture, it's actually your system version, whether it's a 64-bit or a 32-bit, find on your system. and now you know how to find it. Just select your version or your system architecture, whatever it is, select it, or we have another option called both. If you select the option both on architecture, it will download both Windows 10 64-bit and 32-bit version, and it will ask you for the architecture selection while your Windows 10 installation process. So if you have more systems both on 32 and 64-bit architecture, I recommend it to select both for that case. Anyway, I'm going with 64-bit version because I don't have any 32-bit PCs. Select and click next. Now the final one. Choose which media to use. Here we have two options, USB flash drive or ISO file. I recommended ISO file because if you choose the USB flash drive, Windows 10 will directly load your USB stick, and after your Windows 10 installation, you may erase your USB so that you have lost your Windows 10 installation media, and for further installation in future, you're really gonna regret. So if you choose the ISO file, it will download an image file of Windows 10 that you can use on your flash drive and save for later on your hard drive. So I think the second option is more useful, so I'm going with the second option, ISO file. You're free to choose, so if you want, do it your way and click next. Now it will ask you for the download location. Choose the location whatever you want to put your Windows 10 ISO file. So I'm gonna select the desktop as my download location and click save now. It started downloading, progress 0%. It takes some time to download, so sit back and relax. Here we go! Yay, the download is finished. Now you can see the Windows 10 ISO file here. It's Windows 10 setup file. Save this file as a backup anywhere on your hard drive or any external backup source, and it's time to make your Windows 10 USB DVD. Let's do it. There are several tools for making a USB DVD. We have Microsoft USB DVD tool and the Rufus and many more. I used most of them and I figured out the most easy and fast USB tool is Rufus. I really love the simple and user-friendly interface of Rufus. I'm sure you're gonna like it too. First you need to download the Rufus or Windows USB DVD tool. That's your choice. All the links will be in the description. We are in the Rufus website now. Download the Rufus tool. The Rufus file size is near 1 MB. Download it and run it. Now let's open the Rufus. Just double click the Rufus. You don't need to install. Now the Rufus is launched. Now plug in your pen drive or flash drive. You can use any flash drive that have a capacity of 4 GB or more. I'm using a 32 GB flash drive for this process, but a 4 GB is enough. Now on the Rufus, the first thing is the device. Select your device as your USB flash drive. Just click it and you can see your pen drive, or Rufus will detect your pen drive automatically. Now click this CD drive icon and choose your ISO file. That's we already downloaded the Windows 10 setup ISO. Don't mess with any other settings on Rufus. It will take care itself automatically. Rufus will set up all the settings automatically for you. That's what another thing I like about Rufus. And then click start. Now you can see it started the process. Now it's creating the USB DVD for Windows 10. It's copying setup files. Close it when it's all done. Just click the close button on the Rufus. Now go to your taskbar and safely remove your pen drive. Remove it from your PC and plug it back again. Go to this PC or my computer. Now you can see the Windows 10 installation media on your this PC. Your pen drive is just working like a DVD. Now you can carry this pen drive and install Windows 10 on all your PCs. Anytime, anywhere without using internet. And if you want, you can format it and go back to the previous stage. You can use it again as a pen drive. Just format it and there you go. You go back to the pen drive mode. And whenever you want the Windows 10 USB DVD, just do it with your Rufus, just like we did. Just plug in your flash drive to any computer that you want to install Windows 10, restart your PC, and when showing the motherboard logo, just continuously hit delete and enter the BIOS. Then go to your boot device property and make your pen drive as the first boot device. Now click F10 and save and exit, and your system will reboot again and it will ask you for press any key to boot from your USB device. Just hit any random keys on your keyboard and there you go. You are entered to the Windows 10 clean installation. Now check the on-screen instruction and install your Windows 10. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Take care. Goodbye.